Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor video series. In this video, I'm going to show you the basics of the Elementor plugin. What are the features of the Elementor plugin and how you can use the Elementor plugin to create a professional website. I'm going to start with the free Elementor plugin and later I'm going to install the Elementor Pro plugin also. I'll show you what is the difference between the Elementor Free plugin and the Elementor Pro plugin. We will also go through the elements which are available in the Elementor plugin, how you can drag and drop these elements and create a page for your website. If you are using Elementor Pro plugin, then Elementor Theme Builder feature is also available. I'll show you what is the use of Elementor Theme Builder and how you can create the header and the footer section of your website using the Elementor Theme Builder. So in this video, we will discuss about the basics of the Elementor plugin. I have already published detailed videos on all these features. For example, if you want to create header section using Elementor Theme Builder, then I have a separate video on that also. If you want to customize the WooCommerce shop page, then I have a separate video on that one also. If you are new to the website design and you want to know what is the basic purpose of using Elementor plugin, then this is going to be the best video for you. Elementor is basically a page builder plugin, which will help you create a page in a WordPress website. The basic Elementor Free plugin has limited features. I'll show you what features are available. If you want to use the Elementor Theme Builder feature, then you will need to go for Elementor Pro plugin. Basically, if you want to create a professional website, then Elementor Pro plugin will be the better option for you. If you want to buy the Elementor Pro plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. If you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have separate video tutorials on Elementor. I'll give you the link to the playlist of Elementor video tutorials in the description box. So let's see how does this work.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website, and now we are going to install the free version of the Elementor plugin. On this demo WordPress website, I'm using the default 2024 theme. You can install and use the Elementor plugin on any theme. However, if you are creating a website using the Elementor plugin only, then you should try using the Hello Elementor theme. This theme is designed specifically for the Elementor plugin. So I'm going to start with the installation of the theme and later I'm going to install the free version of the Elementor plugin. So let's go to the dashboard of the WordPress website. Let's go to Appearance. And you will see that this is 2024 theme, the default theme that comes with the WordPress installation. Now I'm going to add new theme. When you click on new theme, you will see this option here, Hello Elementor. If you do not see it here, you can search for Hello Elementor here and you will see this theme. So let's click on Install and click on Activate. Here it says, thanks for installing the Hello theme. Now you need to install the Elementor plugin. So I'm going to click on Install Elementor. Click on Activate plugin. Alright, so we have installed the theme and the basic Elementor plugin. You are here, let's get connected. You can create an account on Elementor website or you can simply close it from here. Right now, let's go to the website and let's refresh it. And you will see we do not have anything on this website. Here at the top, we have this header section. This is the blog post. Currently, there is no page on this website. So that's why it shows the default blog post on the home page. And this is the footer. Now we are going to create the home page for this website. And instead of using this blog post, we will assign that home page as the main page of the website. So let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to plugins. Let me show you the plugin. Here we have only one plugin, that is Elementor. And if I go to settings, this is the name of the website. We can change it. All right, so this will be the name of your website. Click Save Changes. Now let's go to pages. Currently we do not have any page, so I'm going to add a new page and let's name it as Home. All right, so this is going to be the home page of the website. In the right hand side, you will see different options and it is using the default template. If I click on it, you will see different templates are there. Elementor Canvas. If you do not want header or footer section on any specific page, then you can use Elementor Canvas. You can create header and footer section and then use Elementor full width to make changes to your website. So I'm going to use Elementor full width in this example and click on publish. Right, so we have one page published. Let's go to WordPress dashboard, go to settings and go to reading, and we are going to assign this home page as the index page of your website. You will see it here, home page, home. Now let's click on save changes. Let's go back and let's refresh it. Now you will see we do not have anything here. This is the default header section and this is the footer. As the page does not have any content, it does not show anything here. Right now, let's go back and let's go to pages again. Now we are going to edit this page. Let's go to edit home page. Okay, now we have the Elementor plugin installed. So now we can use edit with Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor, and now we are going to customize this page using Elementor plugin. Okay, at the top we have this header section and this is the footer section. Here, using the Elementor plugin, you can add different sections on the pages. You can add different elements on the pages. So click on the plus sign and you will see which layout you want to create. If I click on Flexbox, you will see different sections or the columns that you can create. The single column, this is again single column. However, whenever you add element, it will be from top to bottom, and in this one, whenever you add new element, it will be from left to right. You can also add 2 columns, 4 columns, 3 columns, and these are different types of structures that you can add on this page. Okay, I'm going to start with this one. This is the container. So we have got this container here. Now inside this container, if you want to create multiple columns, you can also create multiple columns. Simply click on plus sign. When you click on plus sign, you will see different elements that you can use. Now inside the container, if you want to add another container, you can simply drag it and drop it here. This is container inside container. Click on plus sign again and let's add one more container, and now you will see that the next container is added just below the first container, because this main container is going to add the elements from top to bottom. Okay, now if I want to change the direction of this container, I can do that also. Select the main container here, and here you will see the direction. I can change the direction to horizontal, and you will see the inner containers are from left to right. So instead of from top to bottom, it is from left to right. So this is how you can add the direction of the elements that you are going to add inside the container. If you want to add another container or duplicate the container, you can simply click on the container, right click on it and click on duplicate. So you will see we have one more container here, and this is nothing but a structure of 3 columns. So inside these 3 columns, you can also start adding elements. Let's try this one. Click on plus sign, and just below the layout, you will see different elements that you can add. In the free plugin, you can add these elements: heading, image, text editor. Let's try this one, heading. You will see the heading here. Now if you want to customize this heading, you can select this heading, go to style settings at the top, and these are the customization settings for this heading. Let's align, center align the text, then change the color. These are the global colors. You can set the global colors from this side settings option. You will see global colors here. So these are the global colors. So you can change it. Let's change this global color. Let's try accent color. So these are the global colors of your website. Okay, once you change the colors, you can save the changes and go back. Now these colors can be used on any page as global colors. Okay, so I have selected this one and I have selected this global color here. You can change it. Let's try this one. Let's click on the plus sign again and try image in this box. Okay, so here you can add image. Now you can simply click on this, and from here you can upload the image that you want to add on this page. Click on select files, and I have some sample images here, so I'm going to select one of these images, and this image will be uploaded to your website and you can use it in this section. Whichever element you select, you will see the settings for that element in the left hand column. For example, this is an image. If I select, I can see the settings of this image in the left hand column. This is the image resolution. You can change the resolution. This will be the caption, and if you want to link this image, then you can select the link or the custom URL and add the link here, or you can also select the media file. So if someone clicks on it, it will open that image in Lightbox. Okay, let's see, this is how it will open it. So this image is linked with the media file. All right, now let's click on plus sign and let's see, we have text editor here. Drag it and drop it here. So this is the text editor. You can change the style settings from the style section, change the color, then go to typography. From here you can change size of the text, the weight. Then if you want to make it uppercase, you can make it uppercase, style, italic or normal, decoration, overline, underline. So you will see all these font settings in the left hand column. You can also add text shadow. You will see the shadow is added there. If you make any changes and if you do not want, you can simply click on this one, back to default. Right, now click on plus sign again. Let's try video. You can also add video. This is the video. You can select it and here you can add the URL of your YouTube video. You have different options here: YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, WordPress, or self-hosted. You can upload the video on your website and from there you can add the link of your video. So these are the elements that you can use in the free plugin. This is the button. You can change the button settings from here. Let's make it full width, stretch. Here you can add the content or the text of the button, and you can add the link to this button. So if someone clicks on it, it will go to that particular link. Divider, Google Maps. You can also add Google Maps. Select the Google Maps and add the location here or the address here, and it will show that map here. Then we have spacer, icon. You can also add icon. If you want to add some space between elements, you can simply add spacer there. If I want to change the style settings of this particular container, I can select this container and from here I can change the style settings of this container. Let's say I want to add a background color, so I can add a background color for this one, just like this. So each container can be customized. If you want to use a background image, you can use background image also. This is the background image. And again, you can customize the style settings of the background image. You can also add background overlay for the image. So this will be overlay color on the image. Let's change the color of this text. Select the text and change the color. Now, if I do not have the white color here in the global color, so what I can do, I can simply select the white color here. This will be the white color code FF, and I want to use it as the global color. So I can click on plus sign and name it as white and click on create. Now this color is created and can be used from the global colors. So if I select this one and if I click on this global color option, you will see the white color is added here. So you can add multiple colors and you can use them anywhere on your website. In many cases, you may not be able to select the elements properly. The other way is to use the structure. Now here you will see an option, structure. If I click on it, it will show the structure of all the elements that you have on your page. So this is the main container. So you will see the main container is there, and inside this main container we have 3 different containers. So you will see main container and 3 different containers. This is the first container. If I click on it, you will see the settings of this container. We use the background image there. If I click on drop down, you will see we have 3 elements in this container: the text, the space, and the YouTube video. This is the second container, and in this we have image and button. You will see image and button. And in the third container we have text and the Google Maps. Right, let's close it. Now here you can add elements manually, or you can also use the templates which are pre-designed in Elementor. Before that, let me show you how does this look on the mobile devices. If you want to see how does this look on the mobile device, you will see it here. So if I click on mobile, you will see this is how it is going to look on the mobile device. So it is fully responsive. It will work on any devices. If you want to see how does this look on tablet, you can click on tablet, and this is how it will look on the tablet, and this is how it will look on the desktop. Or you can click on this arrow and you will see the full page here. So we have header, then these elements, and this is the footer. Okay, now I want to add another section. Now let's try using template. Here you will see the option template, add template. Click on it and you will see some blocks are already pre-designed. Or if you want to use the entire page layout, you can go to the pages here. Some free templates are available here. You will see this one is free, this one is also free, and this is also free. All right, so this is our services. So these are the pages that you can use. If you're using Elementor template kit, then you will see all the templates here. I have a separate video published on how to use Elementor template kits. If you want to watch that video, I'll give you the links in the description box. Or if you want to add blocks, you can go to blocks here and you will see the library of the blocks that you can use. Some of them are free and some of them are for the pro version only. Now here you will see different categories. Let's say you want to add call to action, so you can select call to action. Here you will see the free template available for the call to action. So let's click on insert and it will ask you to connect your website with Elementor. So you can create an account on Elementor and you will be able to insert these templates on your website. Right, let's close it. I have another website which is linked to the account. I'll show you how does this look. We are on the blocks and this is the call to action block. If I want to use this, I can simply click on insert and this block will be inserted on that page. Now you can customize it. You can simply click on the element and from here you can change the content or the style settings of that element. So you need to connect your website with the Elementor account and you will be able to use the free pages or the block templates. Now at the top we have this header section and at the bottom we have this footer section. The header section and the footer section will remain same for all the pages on your website. If you want to create a custom layout for the header or the footer section, then you can install the Elementor Pro plugin. Let me click on publish for this page and let's view the page. All right, so this is what we have added on the home page. Let's go back to the dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Now I'm going to install Elementor Pro plugin and I'll show you how you can create the custom layouts for the header and footer section. So I'm going to install the Elementor Pro plugin. All right, so I have the Elementor basic plugin as well as the Elementor Pro plugin installed. Now in the left hand panel, you will see the Elementor option. Let's click on it and you will see the basic settings of this Elementor. You will see site settings, site logo, global color, global font, theme builder, pop-ups, custom icons, and custom fonts. If I go to customize site settings, from here you can add the logo of your website. You will see it here. The site settings option is also available here. And these are the global colors as I have shown you already. These are the global fonts. From here you can change the font settings for your website. You can select different types of fonts from here. Currently it is using the Roboto font. You can change the font from this drop down box. Then you can use the secondary font. This is the text font and the accent font. Then we have typography. From here you can make changes to the typography. This is the text color. You can change the text color. This is the link color. You can also change the link color. So this will be applied to all the sections of your website. For each heading, you can change the color as well as the font settings. You will see H1, H2 up to H6. So you can control the typography from here. Then we have button. These are the button settings. You can change the color of the button. This is the default color. You will see it here. If I want to change the default color, I can change the default color. Let's make it blue. And this is the text color for each button. So it will show that color on each button. Currently it shows the green color because we have manually added that here. In future, when you add new button, it will be of this blue color automatically. Then we have images. These are the settings for the images. Form fields, hello theme header. This is the theme header. Now from here you can customize the theme header. You will see you can also add tagline, site logo. If you do not want to show the site logo, you can hide it. Menu, if you want to show the menu, you can show the menu. Currently we do not have the menu, we will add that. Layout will be default, inverted and centered. Tagline position, so these are the header settings. Site logo, we do not have it, so I can add a logo. Currently we are using the name of the website, however you can use the logo. So I'm going to switch it back to title. Then we have tagline and menu. We have not created menu yet. I'll show you how to create it. Let's go back, and this is for the footer. For the footer, we do not have anything here. Site logo, tagline, menu, copyright. So these are the options here. Let's go back. I'll show you how to add logo. Now you can go to site identity here, and this is the site name, the site description, and here you can add the logo of your site. So you can click on it and upload the logo for your website, and that logo will be shown in the header section. All right, so this is the logo that I have uploaded. Let's click on save changes. Let's go back and go to theme header again, and here it shows site logo is there already. Then background type is going to change the color now. So you will see the color is added to the background, and I want to show the logo, so I'm going to select the logo here. Instead of title, I'm going to show the logo. All right, let's save the changes and refresh the page. You will see the logo is added on the actual page. Okay, so this is how you can customize the header section of your website. Now, if you do not like the default header settings, you can add Elementor Pro plugin and create a customized header section and the footer section. Let's go back. Right, I'm going to close these customization options. Let's go back to Elementor home settings. Go to settings here, and this is the floating buttons. If you want to use the floating buttons, that is the new option added in Elementor plugin. I have already published a video on how to use the floating buttons as well as floating bars in Elementor. You can watch that video. Integrations, these are the API keys, site keys and secret keys. If you want to use Google reCAPTCHA, you can add the site key and secret key, and then you can add Google reCAPTCHA on your website. These are the advanced settings, performance and features. So these are the features of your Elementor plugin. You will see floating buttons is enabled, display conditions is also enabled, taxonomy is also enabled. So there are many different features available in the Elementor plugin. Now, if you want to add any custom code to your website, you can create a custom code. Here, if I click on add new code, you can add the codes in head section as well as body section or the end of the body section. Then we have role manager, elements manager. If you're not using any of these elements, you can disable those options from here. Let's say I do not use audio or I do not use author box, so I can disable those elements from the element manager. So that is going to improve the speed of your website. Now, if you want to use some elements repeatedly on your website, you can create some sections using Elementor, and you can use that section repeatedly on different pages of your website. In that case, you can create a template and use that on different pages. Let's click on add new template, and you will see different templates can be created: archive, container, floating button, footer, header, then page, pop-up, search result section, single post, single page. Then we have pop-ups. You can also create pop-ups. There are different conditions that you can use. You can decide where to show the pop-up, when to show the pop-up, and whom to show the pop-up. I have a separate video on how to use the pop-ups. This is the main feature, theme builder. If you're using Elementor Pro plugin, then you will get this option, theme builder. Using theme builders, you can customize different sections of your website. For example, we have header section here. Now, if you go to header, click on add new, and now you can create a header for your website using Elementor. You can also use blocks. You will see some different blocks are there. you can insert the block. You will need to connect your website and then you can insert the block, or you can also create the header manually. Let's try this one. This is the section that we have added. Let's add background color. Let's add site logo here. Then we can add menu, or you can add button here. And you can add link to this button. This is at the top, so I can select this container and change the layout or the align items to the center and to the center. So it will be at the center of this container. Here you can add menu. You will see the option here, WordPress menu. Currently we do not have menu, so it's not going to show anything. Again, I can center align it and it will be at the center. Now this is the header that I want to use on all the pages. I can add multiple elements. I can also resize different sections of this header section. And once done, you can click on publish. Where do you want to show this header? You can add a condition for the entire website. If you want to use different headers for different sections, you can also select different sections from here. I'm going to apply it to the entire website. Click on save and close. Now this header will be applied to the entire website. Let's go back, refresh it, and you will see the new header is there. Let's go to WordPress dashboard again. Go to appearance and go to menus. We will create a menu. Just name it as main menu and create a menu. And let's add home page. So this is the current menu. Save it. Now let's go back to the header section. We have the header section here. Let's refresh this page. Select the header and you will see the main menu is added automatically. Now you can customize it, center align it, change the color. Change the color of the text. Let's make it white. You will see the menu is there. Publish it. Let's go back to website and this is the menu. Similarly, you can create the footer section. Go to footer under theme builder and add new. You can use these templates, or let me show you how does this look. If I click on it, you will see how this template is going to look. This is how it will look. If you want to use it, you can simply insert it. You need to connect your website, or you can do it manually. I'm going to use, let's say, 4 columns. Let's add some padding. In order to add padding, you can select the container, go to advanced tab, and let's add a padding of 25 pixels. Let's change the background color. And now in these 4 columns, you can add different sections. Let's add icon, list. All right, so you will see the icon list here. You can customize it. You can change the color of the icon and you can change the color of the text also. All right, so this is the icon. If you want to use the form, you can also search for the form. This is the part of Elementor Pro plugin. Drag it and drop it here and you will see the contact form is added here. You can customize it. I have a separate video on how to use the contact form in Elementor. You can watch that video. I'll give you the link to the Elementor playlist. You can watch all those videos to understand how you can create your website. Click on the plus sign and let's go through all the elements here. These are the basic elements which are available in the free Elementor. And these are the pro elements. You can create loop. You can also create carousels, post, slides, flipbox. So all these elements are available in the Pro plugin. These are the general elements and these are the link in bio. These are the WordPress elements. So there are many elements that you can use to create a professional website using Elementor plugin. Once you are done, you can click on publish and add the condition. This footer will be applied to the entire website. Click save changes. Let's go back to the website and refresh it and you will see the footer is added. Now I have just shown you how does this work. So this is not the actual website that I'm going to create. Let's go to the home page and let's refresh it. You will see the changes here also. Click on the plus sign. Let me show you how you can create a banner. This is the section that I have added and I'm going to increase the height of this section. Let's make it 600 pixels. Let's go to style settings and add a slideshow. Now you will need multiple images for this. So I'm going to add some images here. Insert it and you will see a banner is there. It is going to change the images automatically. You will see it here. Again, I'm going to add some overlay effect here. And we can add some content. Change this color and let's align it to the center. Like this. You can change the size again. And this is how it will look. Now there are many different settings that you can apply to make it beautiful. Let's go to theme builder. Just like how you created header and footer section, you can create a template for single blog post, single page. Archive is nothing but the list of all the posts, then search results, loop item, and error 404. I have separate videos on all these features. You can watch those videos to understand how you can use the theme builder feature in Elementor Pro plugin. So if you want to create a professional website, then you can go for the Elementor Pro plugin. If you want to create e-commerce website using the WooCommerce plugin, Elementor Theme Builder will help you customize the single product page, the shop page, or the category page on the e-commerce website. So it is very easy to create a website using Elementor plugin. I have created hundreds of websites using the Elementor plugin. I hope you like this video. If you want more information, you can watch the Elementor video tutorial playlist that is available on my channel. I'll give you the link in the description box. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.